Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Minecraft again, because I feel like it. Plus it gets the most views, so yeah, why not? Anyway, so this is where we left off. We were in this cave, I was about to die. Um, and we were surrounded by iron and stuff. And I don't have any food. Oh wait, I have this. That's... At least it's better than nothing. No, stop. I just heard a zombie somewhere. Take that. Take this. Take that. Ow. That's what you get. Ah! Leave me alone! Alone! Alone, I said! Please! Okay. Anyway, let's just like mine out. No, let's mine all this, Oh, God, I hate skeletons. Oh, for God's sake. Welp. That was too far in the cave, I can't go back. Let's just, like, go back over here. And, because I can't be bothered to go back all the way to the cave. Whew. Okay. So, I have some of this. I'm probably gonna get some of that. Get this. So now we have to basically like restart. Except we have like a cave and stuff. I'm gonna make 2 pickaxes because they break easily. Oh, and I need to add this. There, 2 pickaxes. Okay. Anyway. Welcome back everyone. Welcome. Anyway, so let's continue mining. I'm gonna go down, like start mining down. And we'll all be happy when I find some stuff. And also I need coal. So I got a bit tempted and came back to the cave where I died, and I can't see any like zombies or skeletons or anything. Literally, like, look. I'm really confused as to why. Anyway, so we're gonna go down here mining. I'm actually really nervous, like to die and lose all my stuff. Oh yeah, also I still have all my stuff. Look, 37 iron. I'm also gonna get some coal and then I'll head back and yeah, I'll see you guys there. So I just got out of the cave, yeah. So the cave was down there. Anyway, my house is right over here. So let's go, I guess. Yeah. Shut that. There. Wow, I have tons of iron. Anyway, I just put all my stuff in a chest, and then I'll probably be mining until morning. And then once that's done, no, once it's morning, yeah, I'll will I'll probably like go out and make a house. Yeah, that could probably be quite cool. Okay, so it's almost morning because the moon's already over there. So the sun's almost to it. So I'm probably just gonna be like mining trees until morning, and then I'll start building a house. But I'm not sure where I should build my house. Yeah, I might build it like right here, like overlooking this. That could be quite cool. Yeah, but I really don't know where I'm gonna put my house. Yeah, anyway, so I'll just mine trees and then we'll see where I can put it. So I just started building my house, and the foundation of my house is done. So I only need to do like a bit more building. Actually, I'm probably like gonna leave these open for windows. There's gonna be a window. Actually, maybe this could be a door and like there could be like a balcony like looking over here. That could be quite cool. Anyway, so yep, that, that, that. Okay, so that's done. Look at all of this. Like so many of these saplings. Anyway, I'm gonna go to my house, get all my stuff, move it over there, and I'll see you guys in a sec. Okay, so I'm just about to move all of this stuff into my other house. So yeah, look at that, all of my stuff. Anyway, let's take it over to my house over here. It's almost done. Like, look at it. It's quite cool, isn't it? My first house. Anyway, moving this there. Okay, let's put all of my stuff in this chest that I don't need. Okay, put that there. This there. That there. That there. That there. That there. That there. That there. This is taking a while. So I've put all my stuff in the chest. I've got 25 wood to do the roof. I didn't mean to drop it on the floor. Okay, build this like that. It's not much, but at least it will protect me when it's night. Speaking of night, look where the sun is. It's almost night. Okay, so we need to be quick about this. I need to quickly move all my other stuff into my house. Quickly. Okay, got that. Now I'm gonna run over. Put all of this in my other house. And we'll be happy. So I'm back. This is the completed house. It has all my stuff in it. Made a double chest. All we need now is a bed. But I literally haven't seen any sheep since the start of the game, or since ever, basically, in this one world. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna quickly like go out, and I'm gonna like place torches everywhere to yeah, to make the world seem not as bad as it seems. Okay, now we have to wait this night out. I'm gonna smelt my iron while it's doing that. Uh, put that in there. This in there. Wait, what's this? Oh, okay, just like that. Gonna put my torches in there. Did you just hear something getting hurt? Oh, it's 2 Endermen over there. I wish I could kill them, but they're probably gonna absolutely destroy me. How much iron do I have? 14. Okay. What can I make with 14 iron? Quite a lot, actually. Okay. I need sticks. I'm gonna get like 6 pieces of wood to make a few sticks. There. There. So I basically have every iron tool except a hoe, because they are like why would you waste your iron on hoes? That sounded wrong. But I meant, yeah, anyway, forget that. Anyway, so let's make some iron. Yes, this is a good piece of iron. Then, actually, wait, I'm gonna make a helmet. Isn't this how you make a helmet? Yes, it is. Okay. Well, I'm gonna wear this with pride. Look at me. How much iron do I have? Oh, 8. I can make this now. Look at that. Okay, now all we need is iron boots. I have leather boots, but I want iron boots. So then I could be happy and fully iron dressed, I guess. Anyway, let's do this. Iron boots. There. Gonna put all of this back in the chest. Yeah, because I don't really need it right now. And I've been recording for like 12 minutes, so I'm gonna end the video there. Thank you guys all for watching. So smash a like, and hit that subscribe button, and watch all my other videos. It would help me out massively. Anyway, so as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.